Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play All Too Well by Taylor Swift, which is based on the live piano version that she does on her tours. She'll play it slightly different every time. It should be suitable for beginners. I'll attempt to sing each section as well, but it is very repetitive. I've also left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well in case you find them useful. So this is in the key of C major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. And here is middle C. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. As it's just chords, I'll teach both hands at the same time, so right hand is orange and left hand is blue. This is the easiest way to play these chords. It's your typical 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression, which is a very popular chord progression. It works very well for pop songs. If you don't know about that chord progression, I've done a separate video on that, it's interesting, so I've linked that down below. So we have C major, second inversion. So you're going to play C or C's in the left hand if you feel like playing octaves, which she does through a lot of it. And then it's G, C and E. And the rhythm that it's mostly played in throughout is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's mostly like the emphasis, the rhythm is emphasised on those beats. Then you're going to bring the C and E into B and D, and then change the left hand to G. Sometimes my lowest notes will be out of shot, but not everyone has a full-length piano. So this is root position of G major, so it's G, B and D, same rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're just literally going to move that shape up 1 to A minor. Root position, so A or A's in the left hand, and then A, C, E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the next chord is F major, but all you're going to do is turn the E to an F there. So we have first inversion of F major, so it's A, C and E. You can use your 2 or your 3, and then F's in the left hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and she usually brings that E in just before we repeat that chord progression. So I'll just play it like that first, so the intro goes, so C major. So that's it being played quite simple, which still sounds nice, but what she's generally doing is she's going 1 and 2 and 3. She's like changing either just an E to a D, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it changes 4 and to the E there. It's like a leading note to go into the next chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that makes it sound a bit more interesting, so I'll do that again. Just occasionally repeating my thumb note in my left hand as well. So you can have a play around with the rhythm, but that's generally what she's doing. So that's the intro, and then you're going to repeat that pretty much 5 times for the first verse, which is long. So I'm just going to attempt to sing that now. I walk through the door with you. The air was cold. Something might have felt like home somehow. probably not singing the exact vocal melody line. It's a very long song, I don't know that well. The pre-chorus goes like this. So we've got C major. This bit is the same as what we've been doing. A minor, and then it goes back to G major. And then we've got Fs, or a single F. Again, I know my lowest one is out of shot. And the right hand, so you're going to stay on the Fs. So we've got A and C, B and D, F, C and E, D and F, and then it changes to the E. So we'll just do that again. So that's the pre-chorus. You're going to play that the same way as the second one. So I'll just demonstrate that now. And I know it's long gone and the magic's not here no more. And I might be okay, but I'm not fine at all. And then we're into the chorus. So it's the same chord progression as the verse. Here we are again on that little town street. We've almost run the wreck, 'cause you were looking at me. Wind in my hair, I was there. I remember it all too well. Carries on to the next verse. Photo album on the counter. Your cheeks were turning. Interlude of just playing that chord progression. Just a D. And then we're into, I don't know, it's either a bridge or another chorus. So it's the same chord progression. So I'm just going to continue. She comes up here and plays C major first inversion, so C, E, G, G major first inversion, A minor first inversion, and then that F. And she's kind of breaking up the chords, so I won't be too specific note for note what she's doing, but she's kind of going like. Two times. got this next verse. So she continues up there for 1 and then she brings it down the octave again. Time won't fly, it's like I'm paralyzed by it. I let her be my old self again, but I'm still trying to find it. I have to play t-shirt days and nights when you made me your own. Now you mail me back things that I walk home alone. But you keep my old scar from that very first week, 'cause it reminds you of innocence and it smells like me. You can't get rid of it, 'cause you remember it all too well. 'Cause there we are again when I loved you so, but before you lost the one real thing you ever known, it was real. I was there, I remember it all too well. Wind in my hair, you were there, you remember it all. Down the stairs, you were there, you remember it all. It was real, I was there, I remember it all too well. Then it just ends on that F. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.